I'm headed to the most magical place on earth, a Walt Disney World resort. Taxi dust. Oh my God, guys, I'm freaking out. I have never stayed here before, and it has been on my bucket list. And it's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Why is it so gorgeous? I love it. It's so pretty. Animation Hall. Well, I better drive. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I walked into this room and instantly went manic. Like, oh my God. Look at this. Hi, look at me with no sleep driving straight through, and I'm so excited. This room is the most Disney themed room I've ever gotten to stay in. I've been to Pop Century and all the value resorts. This is my first stay at Art of Animation. I think I like this more than Riverside or French Quarter, and French Quarter was my favorite. But I love this because this isn't even just it. The video doesn't do justice to the room, the lighting. Look at this. It's Ariel's cave. Ah! Who's its and what's its galore? Look at this. Oh, I can't wait to get in there and relax and take a bath. And Ariel's here too. There she is. Playing with her collection. Isn't it neat? Her collection's complete. And the floor is stone. And then it goes into what looks like water. And there is so much storage in this room. I'm here for 9 days, guys. And I mean I packed. I packed. You can kind of tell looking around the room. There's my scooter. There's my coats because it's cold. In fact, I'm here for the coldest day in Florida this year. And you can tell I've already been shopping at the outlet malls too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. This is just gorgeous. Oh, that mirror. Under the sea, it's always better down where it's wetter, under the sea. I brought my wine with me. Look at the little chest of drawers. Isn't that cute? One side is drawers and one side is a refrigerator. And then, of course, we have the octopus holding all our goodies. It's so adorable. So adorable. Here, let me shut the curtain so you can see that. Ah! We got snails here who know how to well here. We got clams here who know how to jam here under the sea. And when you walk in the room, guys, I don't know if you could tell, the portrait there of Eric is off center, and that's on purpose, like you're sailing across the sea on a boat. I love this room. Sebastian and Flounder. I'm in the Little Mermaid room. It's all around me, guys. I can't believe it. I love this room. I can't get over it. I'm too happy. I'm too happy. This is, oh, it's so special. I booked this room when the deals started back in July because I have never stayed in the Little Mermaid room. I love it. 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 I kind of have to brag about the placement of my Little Mermaid room. I mean, Look at this view, guys. Like, I really, really did luck out on that.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!